hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome, karibu sana. My beautiful name is Fanny's Nelly and my channel is I Am Nellian. So guys, in today's video, I'm here at Ngina Drive and I want to show you how this beautiful place looks like. And we also have the view of the Indian Ocean. So this place is just a place where you can chill, relax with friends and families. So it's kind of a park, and it's really amazing. I'm shooting this video on a Wednesday afternoon, and yeah, I just want to take you people along. Hope you're gonna enjoy today's video till to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment. Let me get to know what you think about today's video. So let's get into today's episode. I just want to show you how this amazing place looks like. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Road to 1,000 subscribers. So come along with us. And I'm not alone, I'll show you my friends later on as the video progresses. So let's do this. So guys, with me here, I have my friend here.
Yeah, everyone here, guys.
Yeah.
You know my sister, Marianne, she's afraid. She's afraid everywhere. Afraid. No, I don't know why. You need to be confident. Just to say enough is enough.
Yeah.
Just record and leave the content. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, let's show you how this amazing place looks like. Come along with us.
Yes, let's go, guys.
So guys, like I told you, this is Ngina waterfront. Just the other side, this is the view of the ocean, of course the Indian Ocean. So if you've never been in Mombasa, you are missing a lot. Of course, you'll get to see the view of the ocean. Yeah, that is the Indian Ocean. And the far end is Likoni. Of course, I'll show you Vizuri. Yeah, you see how green it is. So I just want to show you how it looks like. It's actually on a Wednesday and there's not so many people yeah, it is not crowded like on weekdays. So just let's move and see how the place looks like. So hope you're gonna enjoy today's video till to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you give the video a like, leave a comment, and let me get to know what you think about today's video. So initially this place was called Ngina Drive, but it was renovated. And they changed the name from Ngina Drive to Ngina Waterfront. Yeah, because it's actually facing the park is actually facing the ocean. That is the view of the Indian Ocean, as you can see the other side. Yeah, so this place on weekends, it is normally crowded with people, You can come here with your family and chill, with your kids, your loved one. But being on a weekday, a lot of people have gone to work, and that's why you see this place has got no many people. But anyway, enjoy the view of the ocean, the Indian Ocean, of course. Let me move closer. That is the Indian Ocean, and that's the view of the ocean. Woo! So this is Ngina Drive for you. Let me keep showing you around and hope you're gonna enjoy today's video till to the end. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Yeah. So initially it was called Ngina Drive, but right now it is called Ngina Waterfront. Yeah. The breeze is so welcoming. We are just facing the ocean. So this is Ngina Waterfront for you, or Ngina Park. You can call it the way you want it. So let's just see how it looks like. We have school bus there. Schools are closing. Yeah, the students maybe are coming here to enjoy maybe their last moments and the lights. Yeah. So this is where you'll also be able to find some of the street foods here in Mombasa. We have kachiri. I don't know whether I'll be able to capture it. Yeah, the other side. So you see how green it is. So guys, let me keep showing you around. We have the farasi pale. Yeah, those are some of the activities you can do here. Horse riding. You can taste some street foods here. Yeah, and have fun. Yeah. Unalipisha ngapi?
Unajua pande juu nikutembeza nikuchukua video na.
Ni ngapi?
Round 1 so
So tatu mbona sana? Hata si mia. Acha basi.
Fanya pakata kuchukua video tu.
Ukichukua 100 ni sawa. Kama utachukua 100 ni sawa. Hiyo 50 kaka ndo tikiti bana. 50 haiko jamani.
Kulia sana.
Si kulia sana, ni ukweli.
Kule mgumu tutampiga mawe.
Nenda nikuchukue full kutoka mbali. Nikuchukue full ukipanda. Haya. Oh.
Bati.
Namrekodi huyu bro.
Eka lose kidogo mbele hivi. Utayose leo huko. Bati, kuta kwa nguvu. Atwende. Ataenda tu.
Hata niangusha.
Namchukua video kabisa bro, mimi niko chonjo. Makenzi ama?
Makena.
Tena ni mbio. Pole pole bro, ni mrekodi.
Stop, slow down. Bati. Mpaka kwenda gari. Hapo kwenye watu toko kuregea. Bati. Move. Takuwasha haya.
Muulize huko. Ngoja. Barabara tufuate tunakuwa.
Darajani boys. So guys, after the tour of Mama Ngina waterfront, I came across a person with a weighing machine and I just wanted to know my weight. I decided, why not check my weight, you know, once in a while. Guess in the comment section, how many kgs do you think I have? So bye bye.